Shalom to all. Shabbos, chapter...
Shalom to all. Today we're going to be learning Mishnah Shabbat, Parak Yudalid, Mishnah Gimel, and Mishnah Dalid. And today's Mishnahs are being learned B'schos Esther Bas Rachel, Shish B'Zechra Find Reziva Hagon Be'Karav Mamish. Now with Mishnah Gimel and Dalid, we're going to be talking about the Isser of taking medicine on Shabbos. And we know that in general, it's not permitted for a person to take medicine on Shabbos, and that's because of Exeres Chachamim, that they were afraid that if a person's allowed to take medicine on Shabbos, they might end up making the medicine that they need to take, and then they're going to be over the Isser of Teichen, of grinding. They're going to have to grind different herbs and things together in order to make that potion, make that medicine that they need, and therefore no taking medicine on Shabbos, even if it's already made. Now this Mishnah is going to discuss how a person is allowed to eat or drink regular food, even though he's using it for medicine. Mishnah Gimel tells us, no eating a on Shabbos. That's because healthy people don't eat this. And if he's eating it, it's obvious he's doing it for refuah, so it's usr. He's allowed to eat or drink these things that we just mentioned. That's because even healthy people eat or drink these things, and therefore by him eating or drinking it for refuah, it doesn't look like he's doing it for refuah, because for all everybody else knows, maybe he's healthy. And the Mishnah clarifies what we just said. A person could eat or drink anything for refuah purposes. That's because this food or drink will be consumed even by healthy people. Except for these two things, because they're only for jaundice. Only person that has jaundice are going to drink these things, but not anybody else. So he's not allowed to drink it on Shabbos because it looks like it's for refuah. If he's not sick, he's allowed to drink mei dekalim because he's thirsty. He's also allowed to take shemini karim and anoint himself with it, not for refuah purposes, and that's okay. It doesn't look like he's doing it for refuah because he's not doing it for refuah. Moving on to Mishnah Daled. Someone has a toothache. He's not allowed to sip chaimetz, sip vinegar, and then spit it out because it's obvious he's doing it for refuah. He could dip his bread, he could dip his food in the vinegar and eat it like regular. And if he gets healed because of that, nisrapa, then he got healed, and that's okay. Let's say he has pain in his loins. He's not allowed to anoint himself with wine or vinegar. The only reason why he would be doing this is because he has pain. Because people that do not have pain will not anoint themselves with wine or vinegar. He is allowed to anoint himself with oil. That's because even people without pain will anoint themselves with oil. However, he's not allowed to use rose oil because rose oil is very expensive. So if he's using rose oil, people are going to say, it must be that he has a problem, he has pain, he has some sort of issue, and that's why he's using it. However, princes are allowed to use rose oil on Shabbos if something's paining them, because they'll use it even during the week, even if they're not in pain. So it looks normal and people won't realize that they're doing it for refuah. Now Reb Shimon says, Kol Yisrael b'nei malachim him. All of Am Yisrael are considered b'nei malachim, they're considered princes. So everyone's allowed to use Shem and Vered on Shabbos. But Paskin like Reb Shimon. We're going to stop here for the day, pick up tomorrow with Parak Tezvav, Mishnah Aleph and Beis. For now, everyone should have a wonderful day.